I was kinda surprised, speechless, because this is my first time grabbing a pair of unreleased shoes, unreleased sneaker, sitting on Foot Locker. Wow. Oh, is that interest you? Let's do this. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today's episode is a surprising episode wherein I was kinda really? Yep. The feeling of always had this first time. So I was kinda got lucky, just like what they said, right place and right time. So it was my routine, daily routine scouting an all sneaker store where I could grab something if I could resell something, just like Burlington, Marshall, Ross, malls, and everything, and Nike factory store or Nike outlet store. And once kind of surprised when I saw them, so I'm gonna share you the clip. Alright, we have here unreleased Nike Dunk Low. Nike Dunk Low right there. So I bought two. Now I need to go home, go get the family, and go back to the mall so we could buy more of this Nike Dunk Low. Alright, this is the pair that I got from the Nike, from the Foot Locker. Unreleased pair of Nike Dunk Low. I bought the limit because there's only two limit per shoe, limit of shoe, same shoe and same transaction, the same person. So I had to go home, go get the family. But then when I got back in there, it's already gone. Maybe someone already spotted, also reseller as well, maybe spotted also that those shoe are not has been released. Let's go on with the shoe. Too much suspense. So I got two pairs of this one. We got size 10 and 8.5. So they don't have size 10.5. So I grabbed the one on display. This is the one on display, which is size 10. And I already asked them if they have the smaller sizes, if they have size 7 or 8, but they only have size 8.5. Okay. What are these? What kind of Nike Dunk Low? Retro colorway is black and white. Boom. Yes, sir. Wow. Okay. There we go. And we have the size 8 here. I mean size 8.5. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, the actual release supposed to be released was February 14. But then this one they pushed back on March 10. So how much do I got this one in advance? Maybe I'm gonna show you the receipt and everything and the footage on the Foot Locker. Not too much going on. It's just the basic Nike Dunk Low. Not bad for the colorway on this black and white. So not bad though. Now they are hovering, reselling somewhere 280, 285, pushing to 300 somewhere. I think we bought this on retail 100 and 6% tax in my area. So I was kind of lucky that even though I didn't have them all, grab them all, still got lucky that I could get a pair of unreleased shoe 1 month in advance. Oh, wow, that's the feeling of getting a pair of shoe that no one have the pair, no one have it yet. Nice feeling. But anyway, I was kinda would like to share to you that sometimes you have to just drop by in your local food store, sometimes you can find nothing. Just like every time I go to Nike factory store, it's not always a good day to find something, but hey, it always paid off if you find something. Just like this one, it's gonna be a at least more than 100% return of investment. So I'm gonna hold it for a while before the drop, and then maybe I'm gonna watch the trending. If it's still going down, then I'm gonna let it go. But then if it's gonna go up before the drop, then that's the time to let it go, because I don't want to hold it for that so long. If I could get the 100% return, it's okay. Just reinvest again. So what do you think of this pickup of unreleased shoe from local food store? Well, with that said, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, can you please leave a comment down below? Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.